This is the STEAM team of Lilly Me. My mom is planting some food and we're in my mom's classroom. This is a hydroponic wall and there's each one that could grow. Plants need water and sunlight to survive. Spray these plants for a little bit and give them some moistures. A pump down here, and this is where we put the plants. I'm going to put a little plant food in. Now we're outside with our grow wall. These are hydroponic towers. We're growing different kinds of herbs that we grew from seeds. Hopefully they get really big. There's water in this reservoir and it goes up from the roots. This is an earth box. It has water underneath. We planted some cotton in it. Oh. This is a composter and it's very stinky. This is old food to break down new food. Look, this is what we use to fertilize our garden. We're going to check back in a few weeks, see how our plants grew. This is the STEAM team of Lilly and me. And we're going to open this and put this on and dump the water in. We got an indoor hydroponic garden. All of this is planting things. We got, I will pour water in here for all of it. We're going to put the top on. We're going to put these in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to have some plant food. Okay, we're going to put the plant food. These little tops takes a green effect. Wow, it's brown. I don't like that. I see the water. Whoa. We're going to check back in a few days. The stuff is going to sprout.